Looking for a Caribbean destination that offers more than just beaches? Welcome to Curaçao, where vibrant street art meets colonial charm. Nature's wonders coexist with rich history, and every bite of food tells a story of cultural fusion. From the bustling streets of Willemstad to the serene beaches and natural parks, this Dutch Caribbean gem offers an adventure for every traveler. Whether you're into snorkeling, exploring hidden beaches, or indulging in local delicacies, this 7-day itinerary to Curaçao is packed with the best experiences the island has to offer. Before we start, please note that all the links to the locations and resources we mention in this video are available in the description below. By booking through these links, you'll not only streamline your travel planning, but also support our channel. This helps us continue bringing you high-quality travel content about incredible destinations from the Caribbean, like Curaçao. Let's get right into it with our plans for Day 1, Arrival and Beachfront Beginnings. After touching down at Curaçao Hato International Airport, head straight to your hotel or Airbnb. It's a 20-minute drive northwest to beachfront havens. For the best experience, consider a Villa Beach Hotel or Coral Estate Luxury Resort. The views alone are worth the expenses. Once you've dropped your bags, it's time to ease into island life. Head to Playa Porto Mari, a pristine beach with crystal clear waters and soft white sand. This beach is known for its gentle waves and excellent snorkeling conditions. If you're lucky, you might spot the famous beach pigs, Willie and Woody. For lunch, we suggest Toko Willywood Beach Restaurant, conveniently located on site, and try their grilled fish sandwich or the goat burger, paired with a chilled Amstel Bright. After lunch, you can spend the rest of the evening on the beach, relaxing and enjoying drinks. Or you can go shopping to buy any necessary items you might need for your stay. For dinner, head to Character at Coral Estate. With its toes in the sand dining and elevated Caribbean fusion dishes, this is the perfect place to watch your first Curaçao sunset. Try their chicken ballotine and truffle risotto. You won't regret it. After dinner, take a leisurely stroll and head over to your hotel to get some rest. Day 2, Mambo and Willemstad. Start your morning with breakfast at Mood Beach along the popular Mambo Beach Boulevard. Enjoy a smoothie bowl and scrambled eggs as you overlook the calm blue sea. After breakfast, explore Mambo Beach fully. This lively strip is more than just sun and sand. It's a buzzing hub of shops, upscale beach clubs, and restaurants. Whether you want to rent a cabana, grab a new swimsuit, or sip a mojito by the water, you'll find it here. In the afternoon, drive just 5 minutes to Willemstad, Curaçao's colorful capital and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Begin your city stroll in Punda, home to the iconic pastel-toned Handelskade buildings. Cross the Queen Emma Pontoon Bridge and explore Otrobanda, where you'll find striking street murals and the historic Riff Fort. Stop by Plaza Bew, also called the Old Market, for lunch. This is where locals eat. Try stoba, a hearty stew with a side of funchi, fried cornmeal, or go for the fish and fried plantains. Spend the rest of the afternoon exploring the lively Pieter Maai district, a vibrant neighborhood brimming with boutique hotels, trendy bars, and colorful architecture. For dinner, make reservation at Mosa Kana Bar and Kitchen, a romantic tapas-style restaurant in Pieter Maai. Try their tuna tartare with coconut shrimp or crispy pork belly. Afterwards, enjoy a cocktail at one of the nearby bars before you head back to your hotel. And now it's time for our plans for Day 3, National Parks and Natural Wonders. Rise early and treat yourself to breakfast at Character Curaçao. Have a full, hearty tropical breakfast spread from fluffy pancakes to local specialties like pastechi. When you're filled up, head out to Christoffel National Park, the largest national park on the island and home to Curaçao's highest point, Mount Christoffel at 372 meters. And if you're up for the challenge, hike to the top and be rewarded with sweeping island views. You'll see lush hills, cacti, and more. Even if hiking isn't your thing, you can explore the park by car and still spot wildlife, including shy deer and exotic plants like the kadushi cactus. After you're done exploring, just a short drive away, cool down at Playa Lagun. Known for its calm bay and incredible marine life, it's a top spot for snorkeling, and you might just spot a sea turtle. If you're feeling adventurous, stop by the dive shop and rent gear, or sign up for a guided dive. Even if you prefer dry land, the beach is quiet and charming, with ample shade and lounge chairs available for rent. For lunch, grab a table at Discover Lagoon, a laid-back eatery perched above the beach. Try their Caribbean hot wings and chicken nuggets, and a cold bottle of Amstel Bright. Let the breeze and breathtaking view of the bay stretch your lunch into a relaxed, sun-soaked afternoon. Before the day is over, swing by Lanhoy's Savonnette, located right at the park's entrance. This former plantation house turned museum offers a sobering look at Curaçao's colonial past, with artifacts and exhibits that detail both slave and settler life. It's a moving way to end the adventures of the day. In the evening, return to Willemstad and head to Fort Nassau for dinner. This fine dining restaurant offers breathtaking views of the capital. Try their chef's tasting menu or order a la carte, perhaps a filet mignon or salmon tartare. Either way, this is dinner with a view you won't forget. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful so far, please hit those like and subscribe buttons to support us. Thank you. And now it's time for Day 4, Wild Waters. In the morning, head north to Shete Boka National Park, a stretch of wild coastline known for its thunderous waves, volcanic cliffs, and blowholes. The name means 7 inlets, but you'll find even more tucked away into this rugged landscape. Follow the walking trail past windswept terrain to Boka Tabla, where waves explode into a sea cave below your feet. A bit further, you'll find Boka Pistol, aptly named for the way waves blast through a narrow opening like a cannon. It's rugged, raw Curaçao at its best. Bring out your camera and take a couple of pictures to capture memories. From here, venture off the beaten path to Playa Gipy, one of Curaçao's best-kept secrets. This tiny cove is hidden between jagged cliffs and feels like something out of a movie set. There's no beach bar, no music, no crowd. Just you, the surf, and the sky. It's a perfect place to read, swim, or simply sit and let the rhythm of the waves settle your soul. For lunch, stop at Janchi's restaurant and have their stewed goat with drinks. Later in the day, stop by Lanhoy's Abao, a 19th century estate that now houses the Blue Curaçao's distillery. Tour the estate, learn about the Lahara citrus fruit and others, and enjoy a complimentary cocktail in the garden. Top off the day with dinner at Abao in Pietermai. This oceanfront restaurant blends sophistication with island charm. Have the hanger steak with Parmesan mashed potato and spinach, and toast to another unforgettable day in paradise. Day 5, Cliffside Thrills. Start today with a drive to Playa Grande, also known as Playa Pescado. This fishing beach is home to sea turtles that linger near the dock, waiting for scraps tossed by fishermen. Bring your snorkel gear and get ready for a close encounter with these gentle giants. After your swim with the turtles, drive a few minutes to Playa Forti, a beach that sits atop a cliff and is appreciated for its stunning vistas and tranquil water. Adventure junkies can even jump off the 40-foot cliff near Blueview Sunset Terrace. Spend your afternoon relaxing at Abao Beach, ranked one of the top beaches in the Caribbean. End your day with a late dinner at Coral Rooftop, perched on top of Curacao. Order your flatbread pizza with barracuda and sip one of their hand-served cocktails and enjoy the warm ocean breeze as the sun dips below the horizon. Make sure you get a good night's sleep because the next day is also full of fun and adventure. Day 6. Sailing to Klein Curaçao. Rise with the sun and take the brief ride to Spanish Waters Marina, where your yacht awaits to sprint you away to Klein Curaçao, a rugged, untouched island 2 hours off the southeast coast, popularly known as the most stunning retreat in the Dutch Caribbean. Once a lighthouse outpost and quarantine location, Klein is now a snorkeler's paradise. Dive among shipwrecks, lounge on the pink-white sand for a mile. But beneath is where the magic happens. Don your snorkel gear and swim as sea turtles drift by like the spirits of the sea from centuries past. Most tours include breakfast, lunch, and an open bar, so all you need to bring is your sunscreen and sense of wonder. After returning, freshen up and head to Mood Beach at Mambo Boulevard for dinner. With its boho chic setup and beachfront location, it's the perfect place to end a long day on the water. Order the grilled octopus or salmon tataki and unwind under the stars. And now let's talk about the last day in this heavenly island. Day 7. Flamingos, art, and farewell feasts. On this day, explore some of Curaçao's inland beauty. Begin with a scenic drive to Santa Martha Lookout, where you'll get sweeping views of hills, bays, and quiet villages below. Next, drive to St. Willibrordos, a tiny town where flamingos roam freely in salt lakes. Snap photos near the Willywood sign, then stop by the bright St. Willibrordos Church, a colorful landmark in true Curaçao style. Once you've taken in the view and paid your respects, it's time to pack your bags and head to the airport. If you arrive early, unwind at the airline's VIP lounge, where you can enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi, drinks, snacks, and a quiet space to reflect on your journey. As your week in Curaçao comes to an end, you'll leave with unforgettable memories of vibrant streets, serene beaches, and heartwarming local experiences. This island isn't just a place to visit. It's a place that stays with you, inspiring new adventures and a deeper appreciation for culture, nature, and connection. So whether you're planning your next escape or dreaming of future travels, Curaçao has something special waiting for you. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the beauty of the world around you. Now, we'd love to hear your thoughts on Curaçao. Which part of the island are you most excited to explore? Whether it's the vibrant streets of Willemstad, the stunning beaches, or the adventurous activities like snorkeling with sea turtles. Or maybe you've already been to Curaçao. What was your favorite experience? Drop a comment below and let's chat about your dream itinerary. Stay tuned for our next adventure as we dive into the wonders of the Dominican Republic, 7-day itinerary to the Dominican Republic. Dominican Republic, where pristine beaches, vibrant culture, and rich history come together to create an experience like no other. If you enjoyed this guide to Curaçao, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting travel adventures. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'd never miss a new video. This is Caribbean Focus Travel. See you in the next video.